If you want to set your favorite song as a ringtone on the Poco C85, start by opening the settings. Now navigate and open sound and vibration. Right now go for a ringtone. And over here go for your ringtones. By the way, in this smartphone you can set the different ringtone for each SIM card. In my case I want to get the same ringtone, so I'm gonna turn off that option. And right now we can download some songs from this theme store. So here we can input the phrase, or you can already go into choose local ringtone if you already download some music on your phone, and go to the music, audio files, or a recorder. Depends actually where you get those ringtones. In my case it will be available in the audio files. Select your song, and now click apply to set this song as a ringtone on your Poco C85 and click OK button.